Namaskar, very good morning and welcome to our morning newspaper headlines show. Friends, as usual, we'll be discussing about headlines in morning newspapers. Today I have got with me Sambad Samaj, Dharitri, Pragatibadi, Odisha Express, Nitidin, and almost all the newspapers today they have highlighted about a registration of 4.86 lakh migrant workers to return home and this is the prominent newspaper in all the newspapers and many of the newspapers have highlighted that this shows how eager the Odias are to come back home. So this is a gigantic task in the hand of the Odisha government how to handle such a big number of people. And there is another news that has been prominently highlighted in almost all the newspapers. The headline reads lockdown nei अनिश्चितता and red zone lockdown jari rebo. It says that it is this news focuses on the discussion between Chief Minister Navin Patnaik and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in which Odisha Chief Minister has set SOP, standard operating procedure for migrant workers and all that. And Samaj in fact says that there is Samaj and Sambad they highlight the fact that there has not been any consensus on this on extension of lockdown, and there is every possibility the lockdown might be extended. And another news news that has been prominently highlighted about our health minister Navakishore Das dropping hints about extension of Odisha's keenness about extension of this lockdown regulations. And another news that has also been highlighted, that is 5 buses applying from Surat to Odisha carrying migrant Odia workers there. And some newspapers have even highlighted that more buses will come, and the passengers coming in these buses will be quarantined here locally. And Nitidin has highlighted about Justice Muhammad Rafiq taking oath as Chief Justice of Odisha High Court. And almost all other newspapers they have highlighted about the Odisha government announcing 50 lakh insurance cover for the police and 50 lakh insurance cover for police personnel and 15 lakh insurance cover for journalists. Odisha Express has highlighted one story, e-Pathapada Jogo Abhivavak Noyant, how the parents are facing a lot of difficulty to cope with this e-learning system as the schools remain shut down, as the schools remain closed. Students are being asked to learn through different apps like Diksha and all that. And since many of parents are not acquainted with this app or operations of Android mobile, they find it very difficult. And Pragatibadi has highlighted Kolkata Feranta staff nurse Sankramita. This is the case. This is the case COVID-19 case from Koraput, first COVID-19 case from Koraput. Here the newspaper says that the fellow worked, the positive person worked as a staff nurse in Kolkata, and investigation is on how the fellow got transmitted this disease. And the newspaper also highlights Nimna Manara kit corona test. That means corona test is being conducted with substandard kits, and there has been instruction from the union government not to use substandard kits. And these are the morning newspaper headlines. And the key development that we need to keep a watch today is what is the Odisha government's approach towards handling the large scale migrant workers that are waiting to come to Odisha. And it is expected that the government will increase its quarantine facility to accommodate all these workers. So these are the morning headlines today in vernacular Odia Daily. Tomorrow we will again come with this morning newspaper headlines. Until then, have a nice time. Have a good day, and bye bye.